Hello. So, first things first, hairdryer. This is how we take the fluff out of it when it makes a strange sound. You turn it, and as you can see there, little bits of fluff on that. You wipe it all over. Get it out. As you can see, bits of fluff are falling out. Collect it. Little tails fell off a little bit. Post that through. And reattach, turning it from that side to that side. Hairdryers get hot. If you're drying anybody's hair, you put it on a heat mat and that will stop it from burning the floor. Second thing, while we're on about hairbrushes and hairdryers, the girls and yourself will have a hairbrush full of hair. Every other week, once a week, you get this and you pull all the hair off, leaving you with a big tatty mess. For the bin, check the spokes on the hairbrush are all clean. If not, rinse under boiling water, bit of soap when you're in the shower, and leave to dry on a radiator. That is hairdryers and hairbrushes.